Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Erste Group Review My Usage Experience. Erste Group Review My Usage Experience offers a platform for reviewing and managing your financial accounts with Erste Group. It's primarily aimed at Erste Group customers who want a centralized overview of their banking activity, investments, and potentially credit card information. Key features likely include account summaries, transaction history, and potentially tools for managing investments. Their website provides details on accessing the service and its various functionalities. Ease of use is a key selling point, as is the integration of various financial products under one roof. Pricing is presumably included as part of standard banking fees, with no extra charges for using the review platform. Availability is limited to Erste Group customers, and access is provided through their online banking portal. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Erste Group Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was straightforward. After logging into my usual Erste Group online banking, I found the review section easily. The interface is quite intuitive. The dashboard presents a clear summary of all my accounts, checking, savings, and my investment portfolio at a glance. I particularly appreciated the detailed transaction history, which allows me to easily track expenses and filter by date and category. The performance was consistently smooth and reliable. I never experienced any delays or glitches while navigating the platform. I had a quick question about accessing historical investment data, and their support responded promptly via email, providing clear instructions. I was really impressed by how clearly the information is presented. It's much easier to understand my overall financial picture now. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, requiring me to access the platform solely via my desktop. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Erste Group Review My Usage Experience. It's a valuable tool for anyone wanting a consolidated view of their finances with Erste Group. That's my overview of Erste Group Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.